Have you ever felt like you're just, guessing when you write a prompt for an AI? Kind of throwing things at the wall to see what sticks? Well, what if you could turn all that guesswork into a real science? That is exactly what we are going to break down today, the art and the science of testing and iterating your prompts.
You see, the difference between a pretty mediocre AI response and an absolutely brilliant one, it isn't just luck. It's a system. It's all about being deliberate, being structured in how you test your prompts. Because here's the secret. Great AI outputs don't just happen by chance. They are engineered.
So to get systematic, we use what's called a testing framework. Honestly, just think of it like your personal lab notebook for prompt engineering. It's a way to turn random guessing into a repeatable, methodical process that's going to get you way better results, way faster.
And just look at the difference one tiny change can make. In version 1.0 here, the output was a little stiff, kind of too formal. But then, in version 1.1, a simple little note, adding the instruction "write in a conversational tone," led to a much, much better result. That right there, that's the power of documenting what you're doing. It all comes down to this simple three-step loop: track, compare, and improve. When you track your prompts and see how they perform, you're creating the data you need to compare them. And that comparison gives you the clear insights you need to make real, meaningful improvements. It's that simple.
All right, now that we've got a framework for keeping track of our prompts, let's dive into one of the most powerful techniques out there for actually comparing them: A/B testing. This is where we get really scientific about finding what truly works.
A/B testing is basically a head-to-head competition for your prompts. You create two versions. Maybe prompt A has some specific wording, and in prompt B, you rephrase the instructions a bit. You could also play with the temperature setting, which is like the AI's creativity dial. A low temperature, like 0.2, keeps things focused and predictable. A higher one, like 0.9, lets the AI get more creative, which can be amazing, but maybe a little less accurate. Then you just run them both and see which one does a better job.
And the things you can test? Oh, the possibilities are practically endless. You can try giving the AI different examples to learn from, rewording your instructions to be super clear, tweaking that temperature dial for more or less creativity, or even asking for a totally different format, like a nice clean table instead of just a bulleted list.
But wait a second. How do you actually know which prompt is better? I mean, to really judge the results fairly, you need a clear and consistent set of rules for what good actually looks like. This checklist right here is your secret weapon. You've got to ask, is the information accurate? Is it actually relevant to what I asked for? Is it complete, or did it leave stuff out? And did it nail the style and format I wanted? Hitting all these marks is what separates a good output from a great one. Ultimately, the very best prompts are the ones that deliver on these key metrics every single time. They give you consistent results, they follow your instructions to the letter, they are factually accurate, and they can even sprinkle in some creativity right when you need it. That's really the gold standard we're aiming for.
So if you remember anything, remember this powerful mantra: test, iterate, optimize. Test your prompts, learn from the results, tweak them, and keep optimizing until you get the exact output you're looking for. This is how you really level up your skills.
So, we've given you the framework, we've given you the tools. Now, the only real question left is, what are you going to build? The power to create some truly incredible stuff with AI is right there, in your hands. So go on, build something amazing.